This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can repair a remote controller and aircraft, or reset the pair between your drone and RC. So first step that you need to do is to open the Fly interface of the DJI Fly app on your remote controller or a smartphone. Now go into the settings, select the control category on top, scroll all the way to the bottom, and tap on the repair aircraft link. Now press and hold the aircraft power button for 4 seconds to link the remote controller. Let it go afterwards, and as you can see, the status light changed from blue parent mode to green, which means that the repairing of our devices has been successful. Which means we have successfully recreated the pair between RC and drone once again. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.